Okay guys, we're here with Kendall and we're going to show you today how to recreate the 2 looks I did for Savannah Labrants on her wedding day. So the first one that I did was for her wedding and I just did a half up twist. And so all I did was I started from the front here and I took a section like this and I twisted these back like so, and then I added a little bit of hair to a few sections and I just kept twisting, and then I took little pieces and I pulled these out, but I try not to pull them out too much towards her face, and then I just pinned that section back, and then I took another section like from this one, kind of like from behind her ear, just a section about that big. Same thing, just twisted it back. Same thing, just kind of pull those, stretch those out. Just take the end piece and pull it out. It doesn't really matter, you can't really mess it up. And then same thing, just bobby pin that over. And then you can just kind of pull those out a little more. And then I'm gonna go to this side. And same thing, just start from about right here. And I'm just going to take 2 pieces and just twist these back. Like so. And then just pull the sections out. Again, trying not to pull too much right here by her face. And then just take a bobby pin and just barely pin that down. And then I'm just going to take a section right here. Again, separate it in 2 and twist them back. Again, taking the outside piece and just pulling it to make it a little fatter. Just pinning it in there. And then just going back through and just kind of touching it up. And you can take some texture spray. I'm just using the Orbe Dry Stick Spray. And just kind of texturizing it, just so it will hold, and you can kind of like move it around so that like her bobby pins aren't showing. And there you have the first wedding look we created on Sav Labrants. Okay, now we're gonna recreate the second look that Sav had on her wedding. And it's just a really simple side braid. And I'm just gonna leave a little bit of her bang out. And I'm just gonna start off with just an easy French braid. Just 3 pieces. And I'm just crossing the outside over and I'm adding hair. To each section of the outside, and I'm I'm gonna leave out, like I wanna make sure her extensions are covered, so I'm gonna leave out, not add too much hair from that side, because I wanna make sure to keep that hidden. And I'm just gonna keep taking sections until I get to like her crown. Again, just kind of maneuvering around her extension hair. And then when I get to about here, I'm going to take it in, put it in 2 sections, and then I'm just going to take the outside 2 pieces and I'm gonna put them together, and I'm just going to bobby pin these 2 together, and that way you can poof it out and make it a little bit bigger of a braid at the bottom. And then I'm just gonna keep taking little pieces from under here and like just taking 2 sections and rubber banding them together, because then I can piece this out and make it bigger and kind of just make that a little just a little looser. Crazy. And then we might do 1 more. Pull this guy forward. And then rubber band it right here. And then again you can make this poofy right here. And then I just take texture spray and kind of just loosen that up a little. It's just simple, easy. Just a cute little half up braid. Okay, so this is your second look that we created at Sav Labrants' wedding. Okay, so there is your 2 looks that we recreated that we did at Sav Labrants' wedding, and we would love to see you guys recreate them also. So if you do, make sure you tag at @hairby_Chrissy or at Sav Labrants so we can see your looks.
Yes.
And that's all for today. So don't forget to
Subscribe.
2 thumbs
up.
and 2 thumbs up.
No.
Oh,
That's only 1.